Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will learn how can we change the ringtone of our Android phones. Let's get started. Open the settings of your phone. Now go to sound and vibration. Now click on the ringtone icon. Here you can see many options of the ringtones. Click on any one of them. Here also many options available. Click any one of them. Now if you want to select this, click on OK and this is applied to your phone. That's it for the video. I hope it was great help for you. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you in the next video.